This is really a dress rehearsal of what it's going to be like when it gets real. You wouldn't be in this locker room unless you deserve it. You wouldn't be in this locker room unless you earn it. You wouldn't be in this locker room unless we know you're capable of going out there, making plays, and doing what you're blessed to do. You have a name on the front, and you have a name on the back. I want you to play for both of them. Dominate for both of them. I know you're playing against your teammate, but you're playing for you. You're playing for the university, you're playing for your name. And guess what we got on our shoulders? Dom.
Yes, sir.
And we playing for him.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Love every last one of y'all to life. And I'm proud of every last one of y'all. Some of y'all are a little more proud than the others, but I'm proud of everybody in this locker room. I appreciate you. We love you. I admire you. I respect you. But I want you to go out there and play the best of your ability. Don't cheat yourself. Last question. Do you believe in you?
Yes, sir.
If you do, let's play the music and let's go.
Let's do it! Memphis 10.
Memphis 10 in the
Dirty Dime.
You already know what's up. Yo, Uncle Neely in the house.
Let's go, pregame show from New Orleans, all the way from New Orleans. Hey.
What's up? What's up? I'm from Nashville. This is Jacques Buford out here at the Colorado Buffaloes spring game. I'm telling you, it's on with Coach Millie.
And you brought this good weather.
Yes, sir. I brought it with me. I appreciate it.
Come all the way from Jacksonville, Florida to see my Uncle Millie.
We appreciate it.
Colorado Buff. Yes, sir.
You got it. Come on, Dub. Here we go, man. Look around, man. Everybody look around. The opportunity we have, man. Listen, man, spring ball, all this season just set the tone for the rest of the summer, man. It's another day to put in the work that we always put in, right? Do not do nothing more than what you've been doing. You in this position for a reason, believe in yourself, but you ain't gotta do nothing crazy, right? And we let our boys, we believe in y'all, man. Let's have fun and put on a great show, right? Yes, sir. Win on me, win on three, 1, 2, 3. Win.
Big Dog Chico, what's going on, my man? And coming to you live from the field. Team is stretching and warming up. About to get this thing going. Spring game, baby. The weather could not be better. This is the first year we've had good weather. It's either snow or rain. Today it's probably about 70, partly cloudy, nice little cool breeze. You will be in shorts and be in a sweatshirt and be fine.
Good job. Relax. Switch it up. Defense.
Tell you what, just a culmination of these 15 practices, man. Got Chauncey right there. His dad is in the stands. Talked to him earlier. A lot of prime parents are here. Getting a lot of love from him. So, you know, these guys have been since January conditioning Swayze to now for this moment. Still got about 2 weeks left for just some basic strength and conditioning before you get out of here when school is out. But this is the culmination, man. This is what you did. All you did for this moment. So you want to put on a good show for the fans. Like Coach Mary said, you're going to hold some things back. You know, because we got a game to play against Georgia Tech week 1. It'll be enough stuff for people to see what's taking place.
My special guys. Yes, sir. Yes, these are my special gifts. Good job, relax, push it up. Got that back. GMP.
Yes, since that time we've had
Good job.
you should. We had a couple of trades, if you will, because of some injuries. So it's not exactly the teams that did the draft, but pretty much all the same. So with that in mind, just like as Coach Prime said during his press conference, just because you see somebody come out as the starting QB doesn't mean that's the starting QB. That could be because of the coin toss. Speaking of Coach Prime, I got the side camera on him right there. Let's talk to Coach Mathis, Coach Rashad, getting his notes together. Prime coming up now to break the team down.
Get tight. Remember what we said, guys. Do you really believe in you? If you believe in you, you go out and show it. Represent that name on the front and represent that name on the back. Give the glory to the Lord up top. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Let's have a good time. I want you guys to enjoy it. Enjoy it. I want you to compete, but I want you to enjoy it, all right? Yes, sir. Let's play hard, let's play tough, let's play physical, and let's play fast. Break it down on Juju.
Here we go, y'all boys, and let's be safe, y'all boys, let's be smart. Hey, 30 on 3, 30 on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. If you walk, you're wrong. Let's go.
Now, Chico, in case some of that audio is missing, which Coach Prime was saying, paraphrasing, hey, I want you guys to believe in you. Coach DK, appreciate that. We believe in you like we believe in you. Let's have fun today. No injuries. You know, remember that your teammates. Let's get it on. Let's have some fun. Put on the show. Take over to the linebackers, get warmed up. With Coach Marvin, Coach Hart.
Boom, there you go. Come on. Go. Come on.
Give me two. Two lines.
And again, for anybody out there maybe concerned about the audio, because of the Jumbotron playing loud music, we have to use a noise canceling so we don't get the copyright stuff. So I'll be doing some narration which y'all can't hear. But as you can see, Chico, we right here in the action. About to get hit. anything for the people, anything for the runners. But I get knocked down for the runners sheet though.
Get low on it. Get it to him.
I'm gonna go check out the DBs. Doing their thing over the next spot. Coach Prime always has a personal eye on the DBs, as you can see. I'm gonna get behind him. That's Coach Prime getting excited. He said they want to hit today. They want to hit today. Coach Prime getting excited. You know, there's a lot of reasons, no matter what position you play, to come to Colorado. But if you play cornerback, safety, anything on defense and special teams, you got this gold jacket giving you personal instruction. How do you not?
Football Showcase. Today's event is presented by.
And again, the Jumbotron noise is picking up. I'm gonna go down into the trenches now. But it's might be a little distorted, y'all, but got the quarterbacks warming up right here.
With AT&T.
Okay, good deal. I keep talking.
Fans, first aid
All right, so
services
this
for
the
the
running
game
backs.
are located at gates 3
Getting
and
warmed
12
up.
and are
Coach Jay
open
Mack.
throughout the game.
Track hop
Lost and
first.
Found is located at gate 5 should you misplace
Doing their
any of
thing.
your important items. Guest service kiosks are located throughout the concourse, as well as gate 5 should you need directions or have any questions or concerns.
Same thing over here with the
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention
edge
please.
rushers with
In the event of a weather emergency, please see the video boards for shelter-in-place locations. Bolts Fieldhouse,
One thing I see
the East Concourse, and the indoor
there ain't
practice
nothing else
facility.
right now. There's a lot of
In the event that the stadium would need to be evacuated, please see the video boards for the egress route
Over
that
to,
corresponds to your seating
Coach
location.
Fun.
Thank you for your attention.
D-line doing their thing.
Fans, if you need assistance or have concerns of any kind during the game, text 720-812-1769. Please include your location and a brief description of the concern or incident, and it will be relayed to the proper parties.
Get a look at this, get a look.
Stay up to date on all things Colorado football by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Watch your phone or tablet and simply search CU Bucks Football for your one-stop shop for photos, videos, player interviews, and other behind-the-scenes and exclusive content from your college football.
Fixing the little things technique-wise. He ain't nowhere in the world gets right in the mix like we have.
Educate Bucks fans on the NCAA, Big 12, and C regulations.
Hey, switch it out, switch it. Switch it, stay right.
To protect the eligibility of our current and future student athletes. Please ask before you act and contact the compliance office at comply@colorado.edu.
One of the greatest ever do it right there.
Yes, sir.
CU Athletics would like to thank the following concession partners for their support
Yep.
of the Buffalo.
He said y'all should be here.
Breckenridge Brewery,
Short
Cheddar Juice, Celsius, Coors Light,
180 to go.
GQ Barbecue, High Noon, Modelo, Pepsi, Surfside Iced Tea, Serendipity Ice Cream, Blackjack Pizza, and Shot
Take behind
Talk.
the quarterbacks, Coach Hodge. Gotta get the running backs.
Bucks fans, Rocky's Green Stampede empowers all Bucks to have a positive impact.
Y'all should be
on
seeing
the
the
field. focusing
Quarterback
on
doing
reduced
that thing.
environmental impacts, economic conserving resources, and social responsibility. We can all work together to achieve sustainability. Be a part of a carbon-free future with XL Energy. Choose low-impact transportation with a bus, bike, rideshare, or carpool in a Toyota electrified car. Tailgate sustainability with reusable or compostable items with eco-products that you can refill at the gate. Go
Y'all see
zero
the,
waste and dispose properly. and
DP7
ensure that our
patches
products
on.
Be part of Ralphie's Green Stampede and be a champion on and off the field.
The bond between indigenous people and buffalo is considered sacred. For millennia, buffalo cared for native people by providing food, shelter, clothing, tools, and ceremonial items. The buffalo is recognized by the native people as the relative. As the largest native species in the grassland,
If you just joined us, this is Pregame Network. We got the morning run.
Regeneration,
Taking you live behind the scenes.
people and economy of indigenous peoples. When the buffaloes
Spring game, black and gold game, offensive line.
Buffalo reintroduction will provide
Just
new
finished it.
cultural and educational opportunities, initiate ecological regeneration, combat climate change, and create economic opportunity for Native peoples. When I see Ralphie, it's a reminder of my ancestors and our unique connection to the buffalo that still exists today.
Chico,
Boulder acknowledges
let me tell you what happened this morning at the hotel.
and ancestral homelands.
Let me tell you what happened at the hotel this morning, Chico.
And many other Native American nations. Their forced removal
standing out
from
front.
territories has caused
The guy
devastating
pulls up
lasting impacts.
and says, I know you.
University of Colorado Boulder
I said, okay.
honors and recognizes
He said, you one of the 4 Gs.
of indigenous peoples.
And I said, yeah, I'm Grant Hammer. He said, no, you can't be Grant. That's my brother-in-law. But you one of the other ones. He said, you George or Drake?
Join Chips Kids Club today. Open to our
I said, we just all look alike.
8th grade and younger.
All right, now I'm going to take y'all into the offensive line of trenches. I'm about to warm up together.
Exclusive ticket deals for parents. A membership packet full of fun items and more. All take you to Kids Club activities throughout the year.
Coach.
For information and to register.
Coach.
Visit cityhouse.com/Chips Kids Club. Buff's Hospitality to Doctor's Chances with incredible views here at Folsom Field. The best place in Boulder for your private event. Its variety of spaces can accommodate groups as small as 25 and as large as
Gotta put
600.
something in the chat because you can't get this nowhere else.
Corporate events, weddings, and so much more. The Byron White Club is the perfect setting with indoor and outdoor seating, offering a breathtaking backdrop of the stadium and clubhouse. The Nerd Wallet Touchdown Club and the Better Hotel Hornet.
Hey, church on me, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Fantastic views of historic Folsom Field and the rooftop terrace and lounge on top of the Champion Center provides panoramic views of Boulder's signature flat irons. You can book your event with Buff's Hospitality today by visiting FolsomFieldEvents.com.
When we get ready to do the special teams, I'll take y'all a little closer.
CU Boulder is not just a university, it's a community where we can keep
Right
each
now, I'm
other
standing
safe.
behind Coach Prime and
To
Coach Dre.
anonymously share information about concerning behavior with people trained in crisis support. Use the safe
Have to kind of keep my head on the swivel
safetoTell.org
because when they run their routes, they got to finish them in the end zone.
7233.
And I'm telling you, Chico, if they come at me, I bet you they drop the ball. I bet you they drop. Matter of fact, let me get on the goal line.
What makes this possible? Whole Student Athletes. Here is a day in the life of CU Whole Student Athletes. Healthy sleep and readiness for the day. Daily wellness check-ins. Strength staff using sports science to optimize performance. Nutritious and delicious food to fuel performance. Learning in class along with continued academic support, leading to academic success with progress towards
That's correct.
degree.
This is
And the desire
from a football perspective, this is just practice 15. But we recognize that when you're doing it in front of company, you know, you want to tighten up, you want to do things right. Hold on, let me make this tackle. Let me make this tackle. Let me make this tackle. Let me make this tackle.
of the Crawford family.
You know, so we recognize there's fans in the stands, and You know, you want to be crisp like it's a game day because Coach Prime always preaches anytime you're on Folsom Field, you got to treat it like it's a game. So there's an uptick in passion and energy. Also an uptick in that, hey, this is the final practice, you know, this is it. You see me take that track up. You see me make that cut. He knew to make that cut, Chico. Absolutely. 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 You know, this is probably about 50% capacity of our wide receiver room, and then you mix in that Coach Marion wanted to make sure we keep some things vanilla and in-house as it relates to the total offense. You're probably going to see more bigger runs than you see bigger passes. Now, yeah, there are going to be some shots downfield. You know, you're going to do some oohs and ahs. But for the most part today, all roads lead to Georgia Tech. So you're not going to put everything out there on YouTube today. Coach Brian hugging Johnson. All right, so this is the part y'all always see online when Coach Prime tries to distract the kickers. You know, he gets in there, he messes with the holders. You see him get down there on one knee. Because if you could still get this snap off and hold it with your head coach messing with you.
Get out!
Yeah, he'll typically walk around and wave hands in front of them. Anything to distract them. And what we do is we just keep switching sides and backing up. So we'll do this all the way back to us at 60. Yeah. So other side just made theirs. Now we're coming up for Arnold over here. Cut that thing on him. Well, you cut that thing like a knife. So you got Gertlacher on the other side. Gertlacher made his as well. So now they'll switch to the other hash. And this is black kicker here, a.k.a. McCormick. Nailed it. Nailed it. Coach Prime and Gunnar White chit-chatting it up. And the reason y'all see a lot of coaches out here right now, from offensive line coach to the tight end coach to the other offensive coaches to Grant, is that remember, special teams is by committee this year. So Gertlacher about to kick his. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. I see you, Gertlacher. Man, Nibbler Mike can play whatever position you want him to play. I think I'm finna steal on him. What if I steal on him? Get in there! Elliot Arnold just, Brian said, come on up. Everybody up!
Hey,
Bring it up! Bring it up! Bring it up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's do it.
Let's work, baby. Hey, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, box.
Yeah, Miss Man.
Please.
Going in, going in, going in. It's going in. Look what we got here. Look what we got here. Look what we got here.
Big money.
All right, man.
Tara C. Harris, managing partner of the Cochran firm Jackson, is one of the premier litigators in the United States. Dedicated to furthering the values of Johnnie Cochran, Harris believes attorneys have a duty to restore voice to the silenced and give justice to the wronged.
The reason that you are a member of the Cochran firm is that you share my commitment to excellence to our clients.
Harris's success is credited to a set of core values shared by his team of attorneys, professionals, and staff.
You've proven to me that you care and you want to do the best job for all of our clients.
I'm here to make sure that they have a voice.
Named one of the top 10 trucking lawyers with a $150 million settlement, Terrence Harris continues to prove that he is committed to obtaining the best possible outcome for his clients.